Hello student, we all know about the racing game. Whenever the bike or car moves along the circular track is slightly raised at an angle. This type of road is called as bank road. Let us see the third application. In this video, bank road is used for the vehicle traveling at high speed along the curved road. Then, what is meant by the banking of road? The banking of road is defined as the process of raising the outer edge of road over its inner edge through certain angle. This angle is known as angle of banking. This angle of banking is defined as angle made by surface of road with a horizontal surface. Let us consider a vehicle of mass m moving with a velocity v along the curved bank road with an angle theta. In this case, we are neglecting the frictional force bank at an angle theta, and the forces acting on the vehicle are the two. One is the normal reaction and second is the weight of the vehicle. This normal reaction is always perpendicular to the surface. If you see that if the road is horizontal, then the normal reaction is perpendicular to it in vertically upward. If the road is vertical, then in that case normal reaction is horizontal, that is it is perpendicular to this road surface. If the road is banked at an angle theta, in that case normal reaction is perpendicular to the surface of it. That's why in diagram it shows that the normal reaction is perpendicular to the road surface. This normal reaction is resolved into the two components. One is n sin theta, that is directed horizontally. N cos theta is directed vertically upward. The n cos theta is balanced by the weight of the vehicle. N sin theta is provide the centripetal force, and we know that the centripetal force gives as a circular motion. Therefore, n sin theta is equal to the centripetal force. We know that the centripetal force is having the formula is F is equal to mv square upon r. Therefore, n sin theta is equal to the centripetal force. We know that the centripetal force is having the formula is F is equal to mv square upon r. Therefore, n sin theta is equal to mv square upon r. Equation number 1. The second force is acts on the road is weight mg. This weight mg always acts vertically downward. This weight mg is balanced by the n cos theta, normal reaction component, vertically upward, and therefore equation gives as n cos theta is equal to mg. Equation number 2. This equation number 1 is divided by equation number 2, that is n cos theta, n sin theta is equal to mv square upon r, and n cos theta is equal to mg. After dividing these two equations, we get here n sin theta upon n cos theta, which is equal to mv square upon r into 1 upon mg. From left side, get cancelled and it remain v square upon rg, and right side will get n get cancelled, sin theta upon cos theta, and we know that trigonometric formula n sin theta upon cos theta gives as a tan theta. Therefore, equation becomes tan theta is equal to v square upon rg. Therefore, v square is equal to, after cross multiplication, we get here v square is equal to rg into tan theta. Taking the square root on both the sides, v is equal to under root of rg into tan theta. This is a maximum speed of the vehicle with which it can be driven along the bank road.